All right, everyone, this is going to be a relatively quick video, but how to fix flat hair. If you have hair that is always falling in your face like this, you want some texture, you want some volume to it, but you want to get done quickly, then I'm going to show you a quick fix on how you can do this. So I've got my product Tidal Wave, right? What you want to do is shake it up. Now, here is the important part. You need to make sure that you have some length like this. This is an ideal length to try to fix this. So if you're looking for that flip in the front, that TikToker type of haircut, you have to make sure that you have the proper haircut. As you can see, this is all layered in through here. If your hair is not doing this, it's not properly cut. You can see there's layers. Let me even turn this way. You can see here's a layer here, here's a layer here, this is all layered throughout the entire haircut. You need to make sure that you're getting this done even if your hair is just laying flat. If you don't have that, because I get so many questions, oh, my hair's not doing it, my hair's not doing it, it's because your hair is not cut properly. So now it's laying flat like this. You can, use this anywhere. You can do it at home. If you happen to have this in your backpack or something like that, give it a good shake. What I want you to do is take all the hair and brush it back off your face. And watch this. You're going to push forward a little bit like this. One spray. That's it. One spray of Tidal Wave. Now, watch this. What I want you to do is run your fingers through the hair like this. What's going to happen is you're going to start to build texture in your hair, right? You're going to start to build texture in your hair, and you're going to start to feel a little bit of it. Then what I want you to do is go back a little bit further, give it another spritz. So we went from here, now back here. Again, work it through. You're going to start to feel even more product taking form and taking shape. And now all you have to do, because the hair is going to absorb the sea salt spray, the Tidal Wave sea salt spray, because that's what it's designed to do. Now you're done. Push the hair forward like this, give it a few little flips, and there we go. Now you've got instant volume and texture to your style. This is the very, very popular style a lot of you are looking for. And then if you want to, you can even do one more spritz of Tidal Wave for a total of maybe 3 spritzes. And look at the volume, look at the texture, look at the shape. You can even go in like this, and you can make it even more full of volume and texture just because of using the Tidal Wave, using this technique, and it's a quick fix that you can do literally in seconds.